East Manipur Meng Tabiribu Singbu Taram Okchari.
I'm so talking any quick. Manipur gi population is hardly 30 lakhs. Muktali. And the Masjid the Yam South talking I say army rank officership, both Navy, Air Force, and Army. I can see the defense is the subject to confirmation. Around 350 officers slave. Officer rank. Singasi Mukti the Urungani. Lieutenant General, Brigadier, Colonel, Captain, Major, all that. Ma'am Ubirungani. Say per capita our Manipur might be the highest who contribute our army officer to the nation. Nahan I can look at the INS ki launch to Bugido Ishalui, Rajnath Ji ne Karine. Mother the Navy ki officer Mayam Yormeva. Even nuclear submarine ki commander said he was from Manipur. How we are contributing for the nations. How our people sacrificing for the nation. See that we should proud talk with them. We should talk with them. I just talk with them. I could takat padi hai. I could talk with them. Talk with takat padi keneko. Talk with them. Madam, they are out of 4 lieutenant general in the entire Northeast, 2 are from Manipur, Himalaya, and the LNC. Sigi proudness. I could like it. Sangraba Indian military history da. Sangraba Indian Army ki history da, Sangraba nation ki history da, Northeast ki lady ba, Karur, Manga Taragi, Marak Sidai da, Lieutenant General Mari da, 2 are from Manipur. I don't know if say, we Shingdanaba, why Kugi Taibam there, the Takatman, the Anis with the labor, Sock Topa hit the right, and I quit October. Mokogi, the Manga Tamaga, quit October.